Which of these Stims for Autism is the most satisfying? I'm gonna need some help.
Hey.
Hey.
As a bubble wrap lover, I do enjoy this.
Welcome to the push game.
Oh, I hate this. No. Yeah, like, it's a game, it's a game.
Honestly, it seems like you like it.
I don't like it. It's very annoying.
Okay.
It's very bulky.
So can I play?
Get your own.
How much out of 5?
3.
Okay, do you love that necklace?
No, this is the part where your fingers get in the way. I feel like it should be longer because I think it's a little hard to do it up here.
On a scale of 5?
Give it a 3. It's a little slidey thing. Ugh.
Let me see.
Also, it's just loud.
Oh, wow.
I really think we could start a blues band.
Down by the river as she comes.
Yeah, I would be super self-conscious if I was using this.
What do you rate it out of 5?
1. I'm sure it's for someone. That someone just isn't me. And I'm into this. I like ones that are kind of mindless, but like you still gotta think about them a little bit. Yeah, I like them because they don't make a lot of noise.
Would you buy these?
How much are they?
These are $57.20.
What? No, but I would take them.
How much is it out of 5 now?
Somebody bought it for me. 4 out of 5. Had to buy them for myself. 3 out of 5.
Which one is your favorite?
I'd say probably these ones just because I think, you know, they're pretty simple.
Are any of these better than knitting?
Not really.
Which one of these silent Stims for Autism is the most satisfying? I'm gonna need some help.
Oh, hey. It's a little squishy puffer fish, I think. Smells weird.
So this is a mochi animal.
I don't like how dirty they get so fast, and like they kind of leave your hands feeling weird and sticky. I give it about a 3. It's a Tangle, the classic.
Does this one open up?
Oh yeah, you can pop this bad boy open. You can pop this bad boy open.
You could pop this bad boy open. Did I break it?
You did break it. Yeah, you can pop that bad boy open. But you didn't actually. I actually bring them to movies a lot. 4 out of 5.
What do you have in your hand?
I have a roller thingy. I'll say 3 out of 5. It's like pretty satisfying. You know, it's pretty repetitive.
This is the NeeDoh Nice Cube.
What? What's in it? That's what I want the mochi squishy to be. Nice firm texture. Doesn't smell weird.
Let's do some cube ASMR.
5 out of 5. This is,
Which one was your favorite?
it's the cube. It's the cube.
Which one of these 3D printed fidgets for autism is the most satisfying? I'm gonna need some help. What's up?
Hey, hi.
All right, this is Cube Thing.
This thing's loud. I mean, I like the texture, but like this sounds like a percussion section.
Play a song. Okay, so this took 11 hours to print.
I get how, but the end product not worth the time consumed. Very satisfying, incredibly noisy. 2 stars.
Makes sense.
I mean, what? We're just gonna pretend it's not what it is. It's a butterfly knife, and like it's very clearly a butterfly knife. You got my money? I've always wanted a knife, and now I don't have to be scared of stabbing myself. I do worry that in public, it will in fact look like a knife.
So we got these printed at the Toronto Public Library, and they said that they probably would say no to printing one like that because it looks like a weapon.
3 out of 5?
This is Eddie the Eagle Ray.
You don't have to.
Oh, sorry.
I love the flexibility. Texture on top, super sick. Texture on the bottom, also sick. Such a cool example of what 3D printing can do.
Also not a weapon.
Not a weapon. I mean,
Receiver win.
I kind of like the noise. I like that little like 5 out of 5. I won't lie. I'm a big fan of Eddie here. This is one I've also made. I mean, one thing I think is really cool is that you can see how it works. Prints fully assembled.
Wow.
Yeah. It's not a quiet toy. And I like that, but I don't think the people working around me like it.
I love this one.
I like it a lot.
Kind of quiet. You could lose one of the parts.
Oh yeah.
This was the cheapest one and the quickest one to make.
Look, so much less resources, so much more fun. Or at least not making the world actively annoying. 4 stars.
So which one's your favorite?
Oh, Eddie.